everyone, welcome to Magnet Brains. Today we are going to learn the alphabets, but we will be learning small letters. Small letters are also known as lowercase letters. Small letters are also known as lowercase letters. So we will be learning small letters or can be said as lowercase letters. Let's get started. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So, today we have learned all the alphabets from A to Z in the small letters, that is lowercase letters. Thank you.